I got him cutting up those shutters for me.
What are you talking about?
The ends. You gotta get pallet wood for me, so I can put it at the ends.
The secret is. You want to do this?
I'm going. You go for it.
Better.
There you go. Peterson Farms in Nashville.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
He's my intern, or what do you call it? Intern?
Yes, intern.
YouTube intern.
Apprentice.
Yeah, apprentice.
Yeah, that's right. Man,
yeah, very good.
the man behind the man.
And then is my daughter, Logan. And we did this little project for her. We get by with what we have on the farm. So, one thing I always do, I usually always do, is pre-drill my holes for my
Say a little bit louder for the camera.
screws. Doesn't guarantee it won't split, but it will definitely help.
Looking good.
It's all for you, dear.
Yep. Don't tell Mom that.
See how easy that goes in after pre-drilling.
Technically, you should encounter some holes too.
This is a flower box made out of scrap wood. It's supposed to look rough. There you go.
When he cuts that top
One.
of the grinder, it'll be
It'll look good up top.
So we got
And
one.
that's how we do it here at Peterson's Farm in Nashville for my daughter.
Gotta hold it up.
So you future generations can see us how we make flower boxes.
See, now you need to turn the camera around and see who he's talking about.
Is this how you envision the flower box?
Yep. Looks good.
All right.
Perfect.
Made out of shutters. Repurposed flower box. Repurposed flower box from Peterson's Farm in Nashville. Father-daughter project.
Yep.
We got our little helper here, Bailey. Can you get it?
Yeah.
A little bit more. That's good.
Gotcha.
All right.
Okay, it's my turn. You help me.
Yeah.
And
Okay. We'll finish the others up tomorrow. We got two more. We get the ends on. We got to trim this up. That's your shutter box. You wanna hold it?
Ow,
See?
ow, ow. Not my hand. My God.
See? Okay, it's time for delivery of the shutter planters. As you can see, we got a total of 6 of them.